My name is Kazemi, and I'm an award-winning landscape photographer currently residing in Canada. Now, I have traveled the world and seen some of the most beautiful landscapes on this planet. I've acquired a signature look and a lot of techniques when it comes to post-processing throughout my photography career that has landed me where I am. These techniques are very, very essential. If you've ever wondered how does he do that, then this class is for you. Because I'm going to include all of the essential techniques that I've learned. These techniques have proven to be rock solid over the years. We're going to replace the sky, basics of luminosity masking, how to use luminosity masking to target your adjustments, color adjustments, dodging and burning, and a lot of other essential techniques that you need in your workflow. Believe me when I tell you that this is going to be all you need to take your landscapes to the next level. So wait no longer and come and join me on my latest class at kelby1.com.